On your macOS, you use Shadowrocket or the ClashX, but there is a problem. Shadowrocket is a paid app and you don't have payment method, and Clash app is complicated. And in both of the methods, you need a VPN to install a VPN if you are in China. But if you are out of China, then that's okay. You can install the Clash app or Shadowrocket. And for Shadowrocket, you need an Apple ID out of China and the payment method. So it's complicated. But in this video today, I brought a new app where you don't need a VPN to install a VPN. And you don't need a VPN to go through different websites and purchase the subscription. It's quite simple. I'm gonna guide you 2 different methods about getting the best VPN, and all those proxies will work in that app and also in these 2 apps or any other client-based app that can handle proxies and nodes. So let's forget about these 2 apps and we're gonna install new app, get the subscription and set up VPN step by step. So first thing you need to do is to go to this website. The link is in the description and my initial coupon code is already added. Here is the email address. Write your email address here, then register by selecting a password here, then repeat the password and coupon code is already here. Now you can register. Once you register, this is the method number 1. You will land to this dashboard and here you can see all your proxies, nodes and whatever you have subscribed. Now you can go to this option, purchase subscription, and here are different packages. You can choose any package, so you can use my coupon code for the first time, and I recommend you to just go for a higher package. And here you can use coupon code Athiquistic and 8 and then verify and you will get 131 RMB discount. It's a huge discount. And here you can go and place an order and pay using Alipay and WeChat. After that you can go back to connect to VPN and here you will see connect to VPN. It simply means you can copy the subscription link and open Shadowrocket app, and here you can go to the plus icon. There are lots of video how to import this one into Shadowrocket. You can go to my channel and refer to the playlist there and you can get to know everything about that. You can manually set up this VPN here. Go to plus icon, select subscribe here. In front of URL, you can simply paste and then save. Everything will be here in this VPN. Now, this website works without a VPN. So what you need to do as an alternative method, and you don't need to go to the website as well, just simply go to VPN07.com, hit enter and you will land to this page. Once again, here you can log in your account and get the subscription there, but I'm gonna guide you about the alternative method of app. iOS app is not yet out, but Android, Windows and macOS apps are there. So simply click on macOS because I'm using macOS. After that, the app has started download. Once it's completed, go back to your Finder wherever the app is downloaded and it's here. I already downloaded, just double click on it and install the app. Just drag to the application. I have already installed, so I'm gonna open. So here is the VPN07 app. So first thing you need to do is to go to user and go to register. It simply means you don't need to go to the website to get subscription. You can get everything within the app, and next time in the future you will not need a VPN to install a VPN or to use an app. You can get the subscription within app anytime you want, and you can also register an account within the app. Just go write an email. Oh, by the way, it doesn't need an email. You can put any random email 123456 at gmail.com and set any password like this. And here you can use my coupon code for the discount, and believe me, you can use this VPN in just 1 RMB for 30 days unlimited. All right, 60 GB is unlimited. Use my coupon code Athiquistic and number 8, and then you see this email doesn't exist, but if I register, it will register. Boom, here we go. We got 60 GB data and that's it. You can use it for unlimited time. I mean, it doesn't need an email. So now everything is on your dashboard. Just go to home page and you will see all these proxies here and the ping values. This is ping value in green color. So choose the lowest ping value and choose any country of your choice. It has United States, India, Pakistan as well. Here you can see Pakistan country, and Thailand, Hong Kong, whatever is the best one. Personally, I think the closest location to your location is the best one. Choose any of them and then go to connect. But here is very much important thing I want to mention. Here is TUN and proxy mode. You can choose any of them. It's alright. But the real thing is here in smart and global. If you are in China, you have noticed that whenever you connect to a VPN, your local websites get slower, they do not work, they do not open anything, just because everything is going through proxy and VPN, and local websites in China do not need, for example, Baidu, a banking app, or WeChat or Alipay, they do not need a VPN if you are in China. Then you can skip that part and switch to global or smart. If you select smart, then local websites will not need a VPN and they will use the actual IP address and the internet provided by the local service provider. But if you choose global, then everything will go through routing, go through proxies and nodes, and then your local apps will face some problems. But if you are using this VPN globally, then maybe you can use global routing. But I'm gonna choose smarter. It simply means my local apps and websites will not need a VPN on my macOS. And same app interface is on Windows and Android as well. Select any of your choice and then go to any proxy. For example, I'm gonna choose United States and now connect. And now, once you press the connect option, here is another big deal. It's overseas and domestic. If you're using this app and this VPN in China, then you can select domestic and it will not interfere with your local apps again. But if you're using outside of China, you can select overseas. And now VPN is connected, you can connect, disconnect, there are no advertisements as well. Last but not least, whenever your packages expire, you can always use this coupon code to renew, and you can renew packages within the app as well. For that, just need to go to plan, go to subscribe now and choose monthly, quarterly, yearly, or 2 years or 3 years. Use this coupon code Thickwistic8 and verify, and everything will be within app and you can get like 3 years VPN just in 158 RMB. So go ahead. Next time you don't need these complicated apps like Shadowrocket, Clash and payment methods. I hope this video provided value, and if you think it did, hit that subscribe and like button and share among your friends and family members who are stuck here in China. Bye.